Hey, it's Janaye.
With me, Kenzie.
Yeah, and we're in Calgary at Heritage Park, where we've gone back in time to 1910. And we figured since we're dressed the part, we'd tend to some animals, because that's today's thing. Pigs! Look at these cows. Me and Kenzie found a horse.
This is Jim. Janaye, I think we should brush Jim.
We should brush Jim. Good job, Kenzie. Chickens! Come here, chicken.
Come here, chicken.
Come here, chicken.
This one's fluffy.
You know what? I think I'm gonna keep this gal. Tending to the animals at Heritage Park. 'Cause that's today's